Hey, what's going on? Mathew Tamin here. Listen, I am excited to bring you another live Joomla training. You're going to learn how to build a marketplace website like Facebook. I'm sure that when you go to Facebook, you see marketplace where people can be able to, put their products there for sale. Well, I'm going to teach you step by step how to build a website like that with Joomla. So for this training, we're going to be using an extension called dj-classifiede. You go to dj-extensions.com, that's dj-extensions.com to get this extension. It's really great. It gives you all the bells and the whistles that you need to build a robust, marketplace website where people can be able to, they can list their products, they can sell things on there just like they do on Facebook. So let's take a look here at some of the simple features. I'm going to show you a demo in just a minute, but this is a great way for anyone that maybe you want to start this for your community, you want to start this for your state or for your country, and you want to build something where anyone can go on there and they can list their products on your website. So you can even have the ability to do like an auction, right? Where after a period of time, it kind of goes away. And let's see. And advertisers and user panel functions. So this is great because you can sell ads on the website, right? You give users the ability to create ads. You can have this as a membership website so people can create their profile, they can manage their profile. You don't have to manage things for them. This is automated. So once you learn how to do this, you set it up, it pretty much just manages itself, and as you're going to see from the demo. And you can accept different types of payment, to checkout, PayPal, Stripe. They have so many payment gateways. Now let's go and take a look here at the demo so you can see what this thing looks like. So here's an example of what you can build. Now the possibilities are endless with this thing. And as you can see here, you can have different type of listings. You have categories. So you can offer as many categories as you need to. You can use this template to build it, or if you have different products that you want to sell, you can do that as well. So this is what it looks like. You can have special offers, and you can have, like you see, latest, popular, random. Again, these are all the things that you have control over on the back end as the site owner, right? You can create pricing structure. So if you want people to pay a certain fee to submit on your website, you can charge them a fee, or you can make it for free, right? They can list the ads, and you can also check out the listing. They can have their own profile. They can post an ad. So this is really great, right? And they can search. So you can make this with Google Maps, integrate with Google Maps. So you can have it for a town, for a city, for a country, pretty much anywhere that you want this to be. So I want you to go on the website right now, dj-extensions.com, and get this extension. And you can be able to follow along during this course. So if you have any questions, I can answer those questions for you. But if you've ever wanted to set up a classifieds or a marketplace website, just like Facebook, where people have the ability to post items and you can sell ad space, you can create ad revenue from that, you can create as many categories as you need to for this, then this course is going to show you how to do that with Joomla. So I look forward to you being part of this course. Make sure that you share this link with a friend and someone that can learn something new today.